Okay, so we are all set. I mean, we have added all the jars, the script, and the test data. Now all that we need to do is run the test script. So I'm going to do just that. Right click on the data provider example.java, go to run as option and choose the TestNG test option. There you go. Click on OK, and the script has been fired. As you can see, the this has opened up the IMDb website. What it does is it performs search on movie titles, and then it goes to the movie page and checks for certain text like the name of the director, name of the actor, stuff like that. Pretty simple stuff. This test runs over a loop. This is made possible by the data provider facility that is given by the TestNG framework. So I'm not using any for loop or any kind of loop to make this happen. I'll just explain it once the test stops. There you go. As you can see, the result, it says total test run 5, failure 0. So this particular test was executed 5 times with a different set of data every time. So as you can see, if you look at the data file, it has 5 different rows. So this particular data file, like I said, has been hooked onto this particular script method, and this script method was executed for all these 5 rows one by one. That's pretty much it. Like I said, this is one way of storing data in Excel files. TestNG framework makes the connection of a test method with a data store possible. This is the data provider function that supplies the data to test method. Any test method that hooks on to this particular data provider will receive the data. Like I said, I mean, this is the test method, has all the test logic in it, and this is where we mention that the data for this test method comes from data provider dp1, and data provider dp1 is this part of the script. This is the function that fetches the data from the Excel files and converts this particular table into an array, and once you provide the data provider function with an array, what it does is it throws a row of that array every time. So look at that 2-dimensional array as a table of data, and any method that hooks on to this data provider will be executed for all the rows within that table of data. So I guess this is the Excel file. This is the function that fetches the data from the Excel file and creates an array out of it. To get more information on this particular example, you could go back to my blog post. I have written step-by-step instruction on how this particular thing works. And I guess that's about it. I mean, this is the end of this. I hope you can make this work in your project or your work somehow.